Have you ever wished there was a more efficient way to write reports? Well, did you know that if you select report writing in the Twinkl navigation bar, then click on AI Report Writer tool, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have the choice of 2 versions of a tool that can generate personalized reports for your students. You can also get there by using the URL twinkl.com.au/reportwriter. There's the Instant Report Writer and the In-Depth Report Writer. Let's start by taking a look at the Instant Report Writer. Begin by selecting your relevant curriculum from the list. And it's worth noting there are a number of options available for Australian teachers. Then select your year group and type in the name of the student you're writing a report for. Select their pronouns and how long you want the report to be. Type in the subject area, and if you want, you can also add the subjects covered. Next, you can select the language you want the report to be in, but I've just left mine as English. Then choose the progress level of the student, whether they're exceeding, meeting, or working towards expectations. Finally, you can add in any specific details you'd like to be included in the report. Then hit Generate. The tool will generate a personalized paragraph based on the information you've given it, ready to copy and paste in your report. Alternatively, you can download it as a Word doc, or rewrite it if you'd like the tool to try again. Oh, and don't forget to let us know how your experience with the tool was. Now that you know how to use the Instant Report Writer, let's go back and look at the In-Depth Report Writer. Start by selecting the child's name and their pronouns. Choose their relevant curriculum. For teachers in Australia, both the Australian curriculum and secondary Australian curriculum are available. Then select your subject area. There may be categories that come up which you can select from. Otherwise, select General Comments. Then the desired year level. The tool will now give you a bank of relevant statements. Read through and select the ones that apply. You can choose as many of these as are relevant, and these are going to inform the report and make it specific and personalized. When you have your comments, scroll down. If you'd like to rearrange the comments, you can click on the little arrows. And you can delete any that you don't want by clicking on the little bin icon. Then hit the Generate Report button and voila, you're done. Now you can copy the paragraph by hitting the Copy button. Or use the options to make the response longer or shorter. And finally, you can let us know what you think of the tool. One more feature of the In-Depth Report Writer is being able to generate reports like this for multiple students at a time. At the beginning of the process, when you type in the student's name, you can also add up to 6 learners to write a report for, and the tool will automatically generate feedback for each person. I hope you enjoyed learning about Twinkl's report writing tools and how they can help save you time. Thank you for watching and have a great day.